I received this roll-on wax kit as a gift, and it's a really convenient option if you want to do hair removal at home instead of going to a salon. This kit comes with the wax warmer, roll-on honey soft wax cartridges, and waxing strips, so everything you need is included. The roll-on design makes it a lot less messy than traditional waxing, especially if you're newer to waxing at home. The warmer heats up the wax evenly and keeps it all in good working temperature. Once it's warmed up, you just roll the wax directly onto the skin, place the strip on top, and remove it like you would normally do. The wax goes on smoothly and evenly, which makes the process easier and more controlled. The kit is designed to work on coarse and thick hair, and it's suitable for both women and men. The honey soft wax grips the hair well without feeling overly sticky, and it removes hair cleanly from the root when used correctly. I also like that the setup feels practical for regular use. You don't need a lot of product each time, and the roll-on cartridges help avoid waste. It's a nice alternative if you're trying to save time or money compared to professional waxing. Overall, this roll-on wax kit feels well thought out and easy to use at home. It's a great option for anyone who wants salon-style waxing results without leaving the house, and it makes a really thoughtful gift for someone who already does or wants to start at-home hair removal.